Good morning, students. I hope that you all are fine. Today we are going to proceed with our next chapter of physics, that is chapter number 11, work and energy. In this chapter, we are going to describe about work and various form of energies. First of all, the one question which arises in our mind is that what is work? In ordinary language, the word work means any physical or mental activity. But in physics, it has a different meaning. We says that work is only done if a force produces motion. It means there are two conditions which should be satisfied for work to be done. The first condition is force must be applied on an object, and the second condition is object must be displaced. So work done on an object is equal to product of the force applied and the displacement. So the formula for work done is force multiply displacement. The unit of work done is joule because it was derived by James Prescott Joule. Instead of joule, you can also write the SI unit of work as Newton meter. So when do we say that the work done is 1 joule? It is when a force of 1 Newton displaces an object by 1 meter. For example, we have a force of 5 Newton displaces an object by 2 meter. Calculate its work done. We discussed that the formula for work done is force multiply displacement. So the force here is 5 and displacement is 2. When you multiply it, you will get as 10. So the answer for the work done is 10 joule. Now, work done may be positive or negative. The work done is positive if and only if force and displacement are in the same direction, and if they are in opposite direction, then work done is negative. Work done may be 0 as well, depending upon the conditions. If there is no displacement, then work done will be 0. Or if the force is perpendicular to displacement, in that case also work done is 0, as the angle forming in between them is 90 degree. So this is all about the topic work. So the definition of work is product of force and displacement, and the SI unit of work is joule. It may be positive, negative or 0. Positive when force and displacement are in same direction. Negative when force and displacement are in opposite direction, and 0 when force is perpendicular to displacement. So this was all about work.